Hi, it's Rebecca. So I am trying something a little bit different today, which is that I am trying to do screen capture on my computer, and I'm just looking at the Lion Brand Stranger Things collaboration with the TV show Stranger Things. So when I heard that Lion Brand was doing Stranger Things, I thought they were going to do it kind of like the Schitt's Creek, where they basically just put out yarn with special labels on it, and they put they like named it after their show. Apparently that yarn wasn't very popular because it didn't feel great, but I was pleasantly surprised to see that they actually did it as patterns in yarn kits. So I'm just on Lion Brand's website here looking at the kits. So you can buy it as a kit, or you can buy it as just a pattern. So the patterns are $4.50 each, and that would be like a digital download. So the first one, that they had the Scoops Ahoy ice cream collar, which was inspired by from season 3 when Steve Steve and Robin get a job at the mall. It's a Scoops Ahoy ice cream parlor. So it's inspired by the collar that Robin is wearing with her uniform. And then they also have the Eddie's vest, and that is a knit project, and that's inspired by the character introduced in season 4, Eddie Munson, his denim vest that he wears. Though I don't know, I think he might have sleeves on it. The pattern that they're selling doesn't have sleeves. Then the last one, which I'm not really too impressed with, is the Hawkins High leg warmers. And I mean, I could probably just take any leg warmer pattern and just use those colors. But yeah, so these are the free patterns that you can get. And then there's two places where you can buy them. You can buy them on lionbrand.com, or you can buy it at joann.com. So on Lion Brand, you can see the kit is $10.47. And you get the Vanna's Choice yarn in the color white, and you get 2 of those, and you get the color cranberry, and then you get 1 of those. Then it looks like it's using a 5mm crochet hook, and all the accessories are sold out. So if you bought it on Lion Brand, you just get the pattern and the yarn. And then the leg warmers kit is $17.45, and you get free white, 1 Kelly green, and 1 honey. And then it looks like it's using a 4.5mm knitting needle. And again, all the accessories are sold out, so you would just be getting the pattern and the yarn. Then there's Eddie's vest, which is $17.45. So you get 4 balls of the navy, 1 ball of white, and then they're saying a 24-inch circular knitting needle, and it's 4.5mm. And again, all the accessories are sold out. But I actually already have that size of knitting needle in my Clover bamboo interchangeable needle set. So going over to Joann, you can see that you can get the same free kits. And then right now, I think they're a little more expensive on Joann, but one thing you need to keep in mind is shipping. So when I bought them, they were at this discounted price, but then I also got an additional 20% off, and then I paid like 99 cents for shipping. So like if you order it from Lion Brand, they don't always do free shipping. I don't know if they are right now. Looks like they have the Vanna's Choice yarn on sale right now, which is bringing down the cost of the kits. But yeah, so just kind of like see which one you get a better deal with, if you're interested. And I am going to go ahead and show you what you actually get in these kits when you order them. Okay, so this is what you get if you ordered the kits from Joann. So mine came in a box, and then they were individually packaged inside that box. So this one is the Scoops Ahoy collar. So you get a physical pattern, shows the front and back, and of course all the instructions inside. The instructions, they're a little bit lengthier than I thought. You got about a page and a half of instructions, but I'm sure I can follow it. And then you get the yarn. And I personally have never used Vanna's Choice. I know a lot of people don't really like this yarn that much because I guess it's not super soft. I mean, it kind of feels Red Heart Super Saverish to me. But anyway, for the Scoops Ahoy collar, you get one in the shade of Cranberry. And it's just a medium weight number 4. It's 170 yards. So, yeah, for a regular price of $5, it's kind of probably a little overpriced. But I did not pay $5 a skein, so that's okay. And then you get 2 in the shade White. So, obviously this main portion of the collar is white, and then the little kind of tie detail in front and the little edging is in the red color. So that is the Scoops Ahoy collar crochet kit. And then the other kit I got is the Eddie's vest, which is a knit pattern. And honestly, I'm a little intimidated because we got 2 full pages of instructions. And I'm sorry, I'm not showing you the instructions because of copyright reasons. But we've got like make the back, shape armholes, shape shoulders and neck, shape armholes, pocket borders, pocket flaps. So yeah. Oh shoot, there's 3 pages of instructions. And then it looks like there's 2 left front panels and a back panel. So I'm sure I can probably figure it out. I'm kind of, I guess an intermediate, beginner/intermediate knitter. And that if I read the instructions, I can probably figure it out. I am working on a knit sweater right now. It's kind of easy right now because I'm just going around and around and around, but anywho, you get the written pattern, and then you can also buy just the pattern. It's $4.50 from Lion Brand, and then that would be like a digital download. So to make the vest, you get 1 Vanna's Choice in the shade White, and then I believe it was 4 Vanna's Choice in the shade Navy. Then the pattern says materials, Lion Brand Vanna's Choice, Navy 4 balls, white 1 ball, stitch markers, blunt needle, circular knitted needle, size 7 or 4.5 millimeter, 24-inch long. It also requires 9 buttons, which it did not include. Is that a button? See, his jacket is kind of just randomly decorated with buttons. So it says, sew 7 buttons to the left front border. Open buttonholes, add 1 button to each pocket. So, left front border. I'm not really sure where that is. But, he kind of just has them, like, all over the place. So, I mean, you can probably just kind of sew on what you want. You could customize it with, like, your own pins and stuff. But anyway, these are what I got. I guess these came out, like, 9 days ago on Lion Brand's website. I ordered them, like, maybe 5 days ago from Joann. I don't think I'm probably going to finish this in time for Halloween because I just have so much stuff that I'm working on, and for me to knit something like this is probably going to take a little while. But maybe for next Halloween I'll have it ready. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the Stranger Things and Lion Brand collab. Let me know if you'd like to make any of these. Unfortunately, of course, I can't do like a tutorial on them because these are Lion Brand's patterns and there's like copyright stuff. Yeah, what do you think of Stranger Things? Do you watch Stranger Things? I really like the show. I've been watching it since the year it came out. I really liked season 3 with the mall and everything. I just thought that was a really fun season. Eddie came in season 4. Season 4, they really kind of ramped things up with like scary kind of goriness. Like I don't know if I want to spoil it too much, but there's a bad guy and he kills people by like breaking all their bones and making like their brain kind of explode, which makes their eyeballs bleed. So it's like I was kind of shocked that it got that like kind of graphic. But it's still really good, and the length of the episodes, I was kind of skeptical when I saw it because, as shows go on, I kind of expect them to get worse, and then I saw how long it was. I'm like, oh, they're gonna overdo this, but I thought it was really good, and each episode was like an hour and a half long. So it's kind of like they made a whole bunch of little movies almost. And the final episode was like literally 2.5 hours long, which I think makes it technically the longest television episode ever. And I don't know, there's something weird where I can watch like a hour and 45-minute movie and get really bored sometimes. But Stranger Things didn't bore me, even when they went for 2.5 hours. So, yeah, I don't know. I like the show. Not for everybody, of course, and definitely not for very young children, especially the newest season. There's some pretty disturbing, spooksy things. Anywho, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.